How you doing today? It's Saturday morning, and I have a little favor to do for one of my neighbors. It's a rust repair on a Subaru. And if you're someone out here in New England, you probably have either owned or fixed or seen someone's exhaust system laying out in the road. Well, this is where they come from. Cars. So I'm going to get underneath there and take a look. I'm going to try to bring a camera with me and see. Might not take any welding, might just be cutting and replacing some stuff. I don't know. Looks like I have a pretty good jack position here. Okay. I have it all jacked up now. I got to get underneath there and take a look. I took the bolt out up there, but then I decided that I did not want to try to pull that, whatever that thing is, down to weld it, because I don't want to bust the exhaust up if it's rusty up there further. So I think I'm going to clean it and then go up and get a piece of pipe and stick it over there. I think we're going to need a piece of pipe. Well, I got this thing all done. Got a lot of exercise in the process. I don't really mind doing this stuff once in a while. It's not so bad. It's people need to get it done. Well, good luck.